Humphrey, he's magical and everywhere. He's everyone's favorite adventure bear.
Humphrey! Hello, Humphrey, how are you? Good to see you. Hi, my name's Tim, and I'm the blacksmith at Wonderland. And you're here to help me today, are you? Yeah, you and me. What do you want to do? Yeah. Shoe? Yeah, for a horseshoe. We can make you a horseshoe, no trouble. You and I, yep. You ready to start? Okay, well, we get a little piece of steel like this, about this big, because we're only going to make a little shoe, aren't we? And we take this and we put it in this big hot fire. You want to throw it in there for me? Do that, come on. Hey, beautiful. Well done. Now it's hot enough, we can pull it out the fire. We've got to go over to the anvil and we've got to shape it up. You ready? Look at that, nice and hot now, isn't it? Don't touch it. Okay, first thing we got to do is we've got to bend it into like a U-bolt shape. Just like that. You gotta help me, eh, buddy? That's the way, mate. Okay, now we've got to put this back in the fire to get it hot again. You ready? Come on then. You can do that for me. Push that up. Go on. Hey, you're pretty good at this, Humphrey. A bit more. Wonderful. Here we go. Now we've got to do the same thing to this side with the other one. You ready? Come on then, get your hammer up. Okay. Nearly finished. Now we've got to put some little stamp marks in there so the nails go through to hold the shoes on, like shoelaces. Yeah, that's right. You're going to help me over here again? Come on then, matey. Come on over here. We've got to get this tool up. And this is called, you know what this is called? This is called a pritchel. And this is what we do, and you can help me do this. This is what we put over the shoe and hit it on the top of the head there like that, and that makes the nail holes. Easy, eh? Okay, Humphrey, turn her off. Righto, you ready? Okay, you want to hit that for me? Big hard hit. Oh, great, fantastic. Gee, that was good. Once again. Hey, gee, you're pretty strong for a big, strong bear, aren't you? That's it. Now we've got to do 3 more on this side. Wonderful. There you go, sir. Well done. We better... No, don't touch it. You've got to put it in the water first and cool him out. Oh, you can't go swimming in there. Oh, it's all yuck. There's all things in the bottom. Yeah, no good. There you are, sir. Congratulations. My pleasure, Humphrey. Anytime. I'll always help you.
Humphrey, he's magical and everywhere.